Did you forget your Excel sheet's password and you have tried all the possibilities and yet you're not able to get to your file? If that's the case, then this video is only meant for you. Hey there, awesome people! How are you guys doing? So this is your V-Bro from Tech Week, and today in this video I'll be reviewing a software that can recover forgotten password for your Excel sheet. Now without further any delay, let's get into the video. Well, if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as 98% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. So if you really want to support a small creator like me, then a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Basically, forgetting a password isn't something new. We all have so many things that we have to remember, and in between all of these, we tend to forget the passwords of our important files. Now, to recover the forgotten password from our Excel sheet, I'll be using PassFab for Excel software. This professional tool can remove password from Excel instantly without damaging original data with 100% success rate. Along with that, it recovers password within the shortest time, regardless of the password length and complexity. Now, if you're thinking whether your Excel file will be supported or not, then let me tell you that PassFab for Excel supports all the Excel formats, as well as it supports from Excel 2019 back to Excel 1997. So it doesn't matter which version of Office suite you're using. Now, if you're interested in downloading this amazing tool, then check the video description, and there you'll find a download link for this tool. Also, I would like to thank PassFab team for sponsoring this video. Now, as you can see here, I have an Excel sheet which is password protected, and whatever combinations I tried, it just didn't work. So let's try to recover this password. So firstly, download and open PassFab for Excel software. Then select Recover Excel Open Password. After that, drag in your password protected Excel file, or even you can just click on this big add button and navigate to your file to add it. After selecting your Excel file, the next step is to select the different methods of recovery. The first one is dictionary attack. In this method, PassFab for Excel will quickly find a password from inbuilt or customized dictionary. The second one is brute force with mask attack. This method is best if you remember a clue of your password. For example, if the password only contains numericals, or if the password doesn't contain any special characters or anything as such. The last method is brute force attack. This method will try all the possible combinations for your password. And remember guys, this takes more time. For my Excel file, I'll be using the second method, which is brute force with mask attack. The reason for this is that I do remember that my file had a numerical only password and there were no other characters. So let me select the second method and click on the settings associated with it. Now I'll deselect all the other character set and only enable all numbers. You can also increase the maximal password length, but for me I'll try with 6. And click on OK. Now finally, we can click on Recover. Now PassFab for Excel will try out all the combination, and within no time you'll get your password. Remember guys, this process might be longer or it might be shorter for you. It depends upon your computer. Alright, so as you can see, PassFab for Excel has found out my password, which is nothing but the last 4 digits of my ex-girlfriend's number. Okay, keeping all the past things in the past, and let's copy the password and let's check if we can open our file without any problem. And yes, as you can see, it just worked. I can finally open my file with no issue, and now I can write down my password in a diary or some other place. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have lost your password from your Excel file or might have forgotten the password, then PassFab for Excel is the tool for you. Do subscribe to my channel to support as well as to get notified every time I upload a new video. I will be uploading awesome videos, so as you know, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.